Hey scientists, welcome back. Um, have your science journal handy to be ready to add a new page. Today we are going to be talking about force and motion. Okay, so we're starting our new science unit on force and motion. So we're going to be talking more about these things in the next few weeks. All right, so a force is a push or a pull in a particular direction. And you guys use force every day to do different things. A push or a pull in a particular direction. All right, so let's see if I can draw a handy dandy little stick figure here. So if we have, let's see, here's our stick figure here. He's using as much force as he can to push on, I don't know what. Let me see. I don't know what he's pushing on here. He's putting force on, I don't know, the door. Maybe he's stretching out his legs there. Okay, so that is a push in a particular direction. And we could have our little stick guy here too. And let's see, I'm going to have him, he's bracing himself here. Because we're pulling hard. We're using all our strength to pull on this door. I have a feeling this door is closed. And it's locked. And it's not going anywhere. Let me give him a handle here. So he's using force on this one to pull. Okay, so force is a push or a pull in a particular direction. Okay, let's talk about motion now. Motion is when something changes position because of a force. When something changes position because of a force. Let me show you an example here. Okay, my pen. I'm going to use force to push my pen, and I put it in motion so it rolled off of my notebook. Okay, so that is our motion. See if you can put something in motion. Don't knock anything breakable off your desk, though, because I'll get in trouble for that. I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, this week and next week, as we talk about force and motion, we're going to be talking about some different things that go along with force and motion. So we're going to go ahead and add those to our notebook right now. All right, so let's add the word friction. Okay, so friction is a force between two objects rubbing that slows them down. Okay, so for example, if I had like a hill, I'm going to have like a nice little hill here. That's my hill. Or I had, I'm not good at drawing these. I'm going to try my best to draw a slide. Let's see. So if I go to the playground and there's a slide there. We'll draw a ladder. There's a ladder to climb up. Okay, so if think about if we're sliding down like the hill, the grass hill, or if I'm sliding down the slide will have less friction than the grass. So I'll go faster down the slide because there's less friction. Okay, so if I'm sliding down a hill of grass or slide at the playground, the slide will have less friction. Less friction. Okay. And then another type of force we're going to talk about coming up here is gravity. Gravity. And gravity is a pulling force. A pulling force between two objects. That pulls objects to the earth. Okay, so for example, if I have an apple tree and I have some yummy apples on my apple tree. Those look like hearts. I need to make them a little bit more rounded so they're more like apples. And one of those apples falls off the tree. It's not going to fall up into space. It is going to fall down to the ground, right? That is gravity. And we're going to be talking more about friction and gravity as we move on.